This is Harry Vocal, sound of Australia, the voice off the street. Aboriginal mining magnates. There's been so much noise made lately by people in political movements in Sydney and Melbourne and Canberra who have probably never ever met or grown up with Aboriginal kids like some of us did, and yet they're making so much noise about how these communities way out are being left behind. And yet you've got amazing Aboriginal women like the Attorney General of Northern Territory or Alice Springs' Deputy Mayor Jacinta Price telling these would-be know-it-alls to stick their nose out of the business out there unless they're prepared to go out and look at the real issues going on with alcohol and drug abuse and domestic violence and attacks on children. But these do-gooders keep saying once again that us white racists aren't doing enough. But has anyone stopped to think that you've got people out there of Aboriginal descent now running gas pipelines and getting royalties off minerals, Ayers Rock, just to name a few, to the tune of billions? And what I ask is, where is all that money going? I remember going to Redfern when Charlie Perkins was the big voice, and I saw the Mercedes parked in his driveway in his massive mansion. And a kilometre away, people were living in burnt-out humpies in Redfern. And the same shit's going on. Why aren't these royalties being put in to these remote communities to get the problem solved? Nah, that'd be too easy. We demand that you white racists fix the problem. This is Harry Vocal.